Didn't bother cleaning anything up. I just mounted the engine mounts, some new bolts, and then this is the first side done. Top arms are in with, you're meant to use nailed shank bolts, but there's some grade 8 7/16 UNFs there, cone locks, and grade 8 UNF, what am I talking about? Grade 8 UNF 7/16 bolts there as well, with cone locks. Got the new Moog strut rod bushes there, tightened up with lots of anti-seize, too much anti-seize, but I'll wipe that back. And then the ball joints are nipped up too. Obviously I'll come back through closer to test driving, I'll do a spanner check and all that sort of shit. Got my new Cobras, they went in pretty easy. And then nipped up the big bolt in the middle too. Over there, see it? Yep. Good fun. Now to do the other side. Just waiting on some shorter belts for Catherine Zeta-Jones. She's got her pulley on. There it is, all back together. Blooming snapped off one of the little studs for the cover, but that was already rattling around anyway, so who cares. Let's just hear it whine. There you go. Brake hoses are all mounted to the chassis. Banjo there. Calipers are bolted up. This side the bearings were real tight on the spindle, but they're on. Everything's just fitting, so the cotter pin goes through the hole, like, but it spins okay, so no worries there. And the ball joints are all nipped up with cotter pins in and all greased as well, so it's all good. Had a bit of a clean up. And these bolts, so they're supposed to be nailed bolts that go into the chassis, and they're supposed to go that way, so I might actually undo those and put them around the right way so this bolt faces that way, the nut on that side, but I don't think it really matters. It's just a pain in the ass for whoever does the wheel alignment, because it's easier to have the nailed bolt pressed through and you just undo the nut and put the shims in and shit, but that's not my problem. Oh dear. Lots of room on my shelves now that there's no boxes of calipers and rotors and shit. It's the booster. I unboxed it just to get rid of some more shite. So it's got all the proportioning valve and shit on there. CPP. There's a few things that are a pain in the ass. Probably because it's Chinese made. But, yeah. Should go good.